I'm Susan. Today I am making a cake mix cookie bars. It's a new recipe I found online a while back. I've had it screenshot in my phone for probably for years. So I came across it, thought I would give it a try. I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a white cake mix, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a half a cup of melted butter, a half a cup of milk chocolate chips and a half a cup of peanut butter chips, and a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pour my chips into my melted butter, and I'm going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. And I'm going to stir them after the 30 seconds and in 15-second intervals till they're all melted and combined. Now I'm taking my white cake mix and I'm going to add my oil and my eggs to that. And once I do that, I'm going to combine everything really well. Now, full disclosure here, I found out I made this recipe about 5 months ago and I totally forgot about it. My oldest son said I did, and I just did not remember making it. And I guess I make so many desserts and bars and such that I just flat out forgot it. And I had it on my phone and on my iPad. So I just thought this was a new one. But I figured if I forgot it, maybe you did too. Or maybe you need to remember that I did this because it was really good and it was so easy. So now I've taken half of my cake mixture and I'm just patting it out on the bottom of my 9 by 13 inch pan. And I sprayed this with cooking spray. And I did add a little bit more of the crust mixture or cake mix mixture just to fill in those little holes. But this, you didn't have to get out a mixer or nothing, and it was just so easy to do. Now I'm coming back with my chips. They weren't quite ready, so I had to put them back into the microwave for another 15 seconds. And I just kept working with it till I got it melted. While I was waiting for my chips to melt, I opened my can of sweetened condensed milk. And now I just want to add that into my chocolate and peanut butter chip mixture. After it's well combined, you just want to spread it over your crust. And I see here that not all of my peanut butter chips had melted, but you never knew the difference after it was baked. And once you get this spread out, you just want to add in spoonfuls the rest of your cake mixture over the top. And I just used my hands, they're clean, and it just made it easier just to pinch that apart. But I did get a little happy at the beginning, and I had to kind of move some around because I had too much at one end, but I made it work. And you want to bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown on top. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to have you a new video up this week, and maybe it won't be a repeat. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and give this a try. It's really good and easy. Bye, y'all.